Hello, everybody. As you know, I'm Nidhi Nahata from Bangalore, and I run a whole food plant-based, not just a plant-based, but a whole food plant-based resto cafe. So whole food plant-based, let me just give you a very brief introduction to what is whole food plant-based. Food which has a lot of fiber. That means we don't refine our food. That means that we don't use oil, no sugar because that's refined. No, definitely it's plant-based and vegan, so no dairy, no meat, and no white flour. So yes, I run a kitchen which is with a zero oil concept. We don't pour oil at all. And today I'm so excited to show you because this is my favorite class and I love sharing, especially these recipes with everybody because everybody loves chaat and we don't need to give up. We don't, you know what I mean? You can go step by step by just being vegan first and go on a whole food plant-based, just on a plant-based, and then you can get into a whole food plant-based. So I have pre-made the vadas, dahi, and so we do the dahi vada. What I did is, these are the vadas which I made. I took the besan, I took the urad dal, and how we make the urad when we fry the vadas, the batter with the urad dal, I did exactly the same, and I just steamed it into the mini idli mold, and I just steamed it here. Do you see it? With salt and little black pepper. Now the next what I did is, this is my vegan curd. I made it little runny. I've not made it very thick. You can make it thick, but this is a little different recipe. So try this out. So this is a peanut curd, which I made it at home, but you can use any, like a coconut curd if you make it, or a soya curd, whichever plant-based curd you make it. I'm going to send the recipe of how to do it because that would take very long to make curd and the thing. I'm just showing you how we can make it completely oil-free, okay? And that too with a tadka. Now in this, I'm going to just put all the vadas in my dahi and let it soak. Can you just see this? I'm going to just allow it to soak. I'm going to prepare the tadka for this. So this is going to be a little different than usually what we do. Also, we are going to put in this is a little bit of the ginger and garlic paste. Again, optional. If you like it, you can put it. Otherwise, you can avoid it. Some green chilies. Okay, now let's prepare for the tadka. Here. So this is the magical part. I'm going to heat the pan. My pan is getting heated and you just need to assume there is oil. Yes, just assume there is oil and exactly do your tadka the way you would do it. I'm going to put some mustard seeds. And you will see that even without the oil, it will crackle. You don't need oil to crackle it. That's a myth. It will crackle even without the oil. Just another few seconds. I'm going to put some curry leaves here. And I'm going to put some hing. Here, I'm going to be putting this. I'm just going to pour it. Can you all see it? There. Here. So I just poured this on top. And if you can see, and now we will salt and the black salt. Here, there is a little bit of the salt, black salt, some jeera powder, red chili powder. This is again optional. If you want to make it spicy, you can put it. I've already put the ginger and garlic paste, and we're going to put a little bit of the jaggery in it. If you just see, you can put a little bit of the jaggery in it, or you can use a date paste. And we will mix it. Because the plant-based curd doesn't become sour, we need to add a little bit of the lemon in it. I'm going to add coconut. It tastes really yum with the coconut. This is again optional. And some peanuts. If you see, peanut is also with the skin. I haven't thrown away the skin. I just crushed it with the skin. Garnish it with coriander. So this is completely a different version of the dahi vadas which we've had always, and we still don't miss anything. You can put in your dahi vada green chutney, imli chutney, that is optional. This by itself tastes very nice, and you can also put some chopped onions. I'm just giving you some more options. Did you see how simple this is?